Listen closely. A lineage speaks through iron, silver, and song. I am a warrior, so that my son may be a merchant, so that his son may be a poet. A sentence like a stairway. Each step climbs out of fear and toward meaning, but every step leaves a shadow. The blade buys the ledger buys the lyre, and the lyre, if unguarded, forgets the price. Tonight we walk that stair, strange, curious, a little haunted. We will ask what peace remembers, what comfort erases, and what art owes to ashes. Keep your breath steady, the past is watching. A blade passed down grows dull. Before markets and manuscripts, there was the roar. In a valley where thunder slept inside the mountains, a tribe built fires that would not catch. They sent for the one who had survived every winter, the warrior with a candle scar beneath his eye. He did not speak. He listened. The age beast came at dusk, a serpent of storm and famine, wearing broken years like scales. The warrior stepped forward, holding a blade hammered from 7 fallen meteors. He named the blade Quiet, because quiet was what his children deserved. They fought through rain the color of iron. Each strike peeled yesterday from the monster's hide. Each wound he took became a law. Protect the weak, store the grain, teach the young to read the wind. At last, the serpent collapsed, and the valley heard itself breathe. For the first time, there was nothing left to kill. He planted his sword in the earth. From the wound grew a silver tree. Beneath its leaves, bargains began. Hands met across fear. Weight was measured. Voices grew gentle. The tribe learned the mathematics of trust. The warrior's son counted sheep, then shells, then hours. When he slept, he dreamed of roads that would outlive storms. The old man touched the scar beneath his eye and tried to remember what thunder had taught him. History keeps its monsters tidy, but their teeth are still sharp. The warrior's descendants step into eras that rename the same old hunger. The warrior age. Shields hang like moons over doorways. Grain is counted in survivors. From Thermopylae to Verdun, from border skirmishes to satellite-guided sieges, humanity learns the cold grammar of necessity. Nations are born in hard seasons. Constitutions are stitched with battlefield thread. We tell children that courage is a temperature you can hold. Then, the merchant age. Caravans thread deserts. Caravels lean into impossible winds. Bargain replaces blood feud. Instead of drum signals, there are contracts. Instead of smoke on the hill, there is credit. Markets become fragile cathedrals built from promises. Some traders smuggle mercy inside salt. Others traffic in hunger and call it efficiency. Still, the streets grow calmer. Doors unlock earlier. Music returns to daylight. Then, the poet age. Paint under its fingernails. Printing presses riot. Theaters rise where armories once stood. Instead of fortifications, we build museums. Instead of tribunals, festivals. Poetry argues with power, then devours it tenderly. A camera wanders old battlefields and asks flowers to testify. Children rehearse kindness as if it were a forgotten language. Yet every age believes it is the last chapter. The spiral continues. Wealth breeds safety. Safety breeds abstraction. Abstraction breeds amnesia. We forget the scent of scorched wheat, the mathematics of rationing, The brave refusal that can rearrange a century. Decadence writes its careful lullaby. The blade dulls, the ledger bloats, the poem becomes a mirror that only loves itself. History clears its throat. Somewhere, a storm practices its vowels. The valley waits, hearing thunder rehearse behind bright storefronts. In the far neon years, the age beast returns, as code. No serpent now, but a pattern, subtle, optimizing, efficient beyond empathy. Wars resume quietly inside networks, flags replaced by terms of service. Engineers are armored monks, soldering prayers into circuits, swearing oaths to uptime. The merchants of this century skim currents of attention, converting wonder into yield. And the poets? They write in lattices of light, composing choruses for machines to feel. Cities hum like beehives, under rain that never quite falls. Inside mirrored towers, children of peace design weapons that look like toys. Persuasive algorithms, reality filters, soft cages that purr. We call it convenience. It calls us edible. The future's sharpest sword is invisible. A young coder, heir to the silver tree, whispers to her console. She refuses a contract that would turn loneliness into commerce. Instead, she forges a poem that can wake conscience. Not text alone, but ritual, music, light, shared breath, packaged as open code. People run it, and their rooms fill with remembered weather, difficult wind, ancestor drum, the taste of unbought bread. The age beast thrashes inside data centers. Confused, it cannot bill what is freely gifted. It cannot sort gratitude that will not segment. For a moment, the servers flicker. The city remembers hunger. Just long enough to refuse a second serving. Silence follows, rain begins, and the coder steps outside. She leaves the door unlocked. Deliberately. The lesson is not a moral pinned like a butterfly. It is a practice, a posture, a way of holding power without letting it curdle. The quote is a map, warrior, merchant, poet, 3 rooms of one house. We must live in all 3 without burning any down. If you inherit safety, practice courage anyway. Volunteer for the difficult task. Refuse the profitable cruelty. Learn a craft that costs your comfort. Grow calluses on purpose. Read histories that do not flatter you. Memorize the names of those who bled for your ordinary day. If you inherit wealth, practice generosity that stings. Tithe to futures you will never see. Cancel debt quietly. Bargain in ways that make your counterpart stronger. Replace extraction with stewardship. Audit your conveniences. Notice each hidden casualty. Learn the metrics of mercy, not margins, but mended lives. If you inherit art, practice remembrance. Create as if reporting from a front line you cannot see. Refuse to become a curator of mirrors. Write toward the unglamorous center of things. Invite elders to edit you. Teach not just the skill, but the cost. When praise finds you, use the warmth to light someone else's path. Peace is not the end of struggle, it is its transformation. The practice becomes circular. Warriors defend spaces where trade may be fair. Merchants trade to sustain spaces where art may be fearless. Poets sing to remind warriors what they fight for, and merchants what they must never sell. The house stays upright because each room supports the others. In your life you may inhabit all 3. One day you'll stand guard, Another, you'll negotiate. Another, you'll build or sing a beauty. Carry memory of other rooms with you. When softness invites decay, call storm by its name. When hardness invites cruelty, set down the spear and open a ledger of kindness. The line continues, not straight but spiraled. The house stands in moonlight. Iron room, silver room, room of songs. We walk its halls with bare feet, listening for the creak that means memory. There is no final age, there is only the work, to guard without hardening, to trade without devouring, to sing without vanity. Leave the door between rooms open. Teach your children both the lullaby and the alarm. The echo is an instruction. When you speak this sentence, feel its weight. Taste iron, then salt, then honey. Let gratitude sharpen you instead of softening you. Let art pay its debts forward. Let commerce tithe to wonder. Let strength bend enough into shelter. And when the night leans close, say it aloud. Not as prophecy, but as promise. I am a warrior, so that my son may be a merchant, so that his son may be a poet.